going on, guys? Welcome back to a quick little recap. And in this video we're going to do a quick recap on our QQQ overnight swing trade we did in the Discord. We did a 68% return, so pretty cool. So what we did is we drew out some levels of support and resistance, and this was on the 13th. So this is where we took our position. We took the 5-10 strikes expiring the 21st of this month at $3.63 a contract. QQQ pushed up at the end of the day. We were up about 25% at close. Pretty cool. So overnight we did a nice gap up, and let's see right here. Let me go to 10 days. There we go. So we took our position here, and then QQQ gapped up into our area of resistance that we plotted out on that 180 day in the beginning of the video. And right at open, we took our first trim for a 50% return. Sold half our position, got to just lock in. If you're over 50%, you got to just lock in right there. And then we took another trim, our second trim, when we pushed up into that resistance at a 68% return. And then we just held some runners, but unfortunately our runners came back almost into our break even, down into our areas of support, and it broke through it. So we got out of them. We took a small profit on them. We had like just a few contracts left, but we still made money on everything. 68% return was the highest return on our best trim. But funny enough, if we held the contracts, they would have, the next day, it gapped up a lot. And the next day, it gapped up even more. Did it? Yeah, even more. But if we held them, we would have made more. But you know what? 68% return overnight. I don't think anyone's complaining. It's a good problem to have when you're saying, I made money, I should have held them, I could have made more. But as long as you stay green, I mean, cry me a river, right? Okay, well, that's it. Just a quick recap on QQQ. If you want to be in the swing trading Discord, I post 1 to 3 swing trades a week. So, just enough to kind of get you in a trade. You don't have to be glued to the screen. That's kind of what this whole thing is meant for. If you are a serious trader, you might find value in it. If you're a casual trader, you might find value in it. You can check it out. I'll put the link in the description, but it's very laid back. It's pretty cool chat room. Everything's fun. Everyone's pretty cool in here. And yeah, so let me know. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.